How to add authentication with Supabase in Lovable. Here to do this, first head over to lovable.dev and log into your account. Once you're done, scroll down right here until you can see your workspace and then just locate in here the project that you wish to use. Now, for example, on my case, let me head over and add in here this Whiskers and Wisdom. Let's click on this right here. And after we have done that, we should be able to see in here the preview as well as the chat history with Lovable AI. And in this case, we just need to click on the Supabase icon. Click on Disconnect Supabase. And then after that, this should be able to open right here this particular prompt. Head over and click on the Disconnect a project. Choose in here your organization. And click on the This Create a project. Now in here, this will load in order to create your project right here. Just wait for this. And once it's done, just enter in here the project name. Let's name it Cat. And once you have named that, input right here a strong password. Let me head over and generate. Choose in here your region and click on this create new project. Now in here, you just need to actually authorize Lovable in order to integrate with our actual Supabase. And after you have done that, you should be able to utilize and use it. So that's how you add authentication with Supabase. Hope you helped.